Let's dive into the world of magazines. Hello, learners! Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey into a rich source of English language learning: magazines. In our daily lives, we come across various types of reading materials, and magazines are one of them. They can be an entertaining way to practice your English and expand your vocabulary. Let's dive in. A magazine is a type of reading material that is published periodically. It's often filled with a variety of articles, images, and sometimes puzzles or quizzes. Magazines cover a wide range of topics, from current affairs and science, to hobbies like cooking, gardening, or photography. One significant characteristic of magazines is their target audience. Each magazine is designed to appeal to a specific group of readers, like teenagers, car enthusiasts, or fitness buffs. Reading magazines can be a fun and effective way to improve your English. Here are 3 reasons why. 1. Real-life language usage. Magazines use everyday language, slang, and idioms that you wouldn't necessarily find in a textbook. 2. Variety of topics. Magazines cover a wide range of topics. This variety can help you learn vocabulary related to different subjects. 3. Regular practice. As magazines are published regularly, they can provide a steady source of new reading material for continuous practice. Here are a few tips on how to make the most of magazines in your English learning journey. 1. Choose a magazine that interests you. Find a magazine that aligns with your interests. You'll be more likely to engage with the material, and it won't feel like a chore. 2. Look up unknown words. Don't skip over words you don't understand. Use a dictionary to find the meaning and write them down to review later. 3. Summarize articles. After reading an article, try to summarize it in your own words. This will help reinforce the new vocabulary and structures you've learned. 4. Discuss what you've read. If possible, discuss the articles with other English learners or speakers. This will help you practice speaking and listening skills. And that's it, friends. We hope this video has shown you how valuable magazines can be for learning English. They're not just entertaining, they're a window into the language and culture of English speakers. So, next time you're looking for something to read, why not pick up a magazine? Happy reading, and see you in the next video.